Hello YouTubers, today I am going to show you how to replace the light bulb into one of your HVAC controllers like this one or this one or one of these ones. This is Mazda 2010 CX-7 2.3 liter turbo, and that's how the dash looks like. I have seen a couple of videos, but they were like 2007 to 2009 Mazdas, and they had different configuration of the this console. So first of all, well, I have already disassembled it, but just for the demo purposes I'm going to show you how. First of all, you just have to put a small screwdriver around this edge and then just pry it off, and once you have a little bit of room you can insert a trimming tool like that, and then it will just pry out. You just pry out like that, and you do the same thing with this one. You just pry it off from here, and then it comes out like that too. After that, you'll find two bolts here and one on this side. They are Phillips head. You just remove them. I've already done it, I'm just showing you. And then there's no screw holding this part. You just have to grab it a little bit like firmly from both hands, from here and here, and you just like pull it, and then it comes off like that. And either you can just disconnect these two electric sockets, or you can just leave it there like that, because we don't have to remove the whole radio. But similar processes to remove the radio as well. For the radio, you need to unscrew these four screws here, 1, 2, and 2 on this side, 1 and 2. But for this part, yeah, make sure you turn on the ignition and put the gear selector into the neutral position to make some room for this one to come out. So there are two clips. You just squeeze them with the fingers like that, and then just remove it like that. And in the back there are two connectors, one from here. Just push the tab and then pull it. The same thing over here, they can go only one way. You just push the tab and you just remove it. And now you have this HVAC control unit out. Now you see there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 bolts. So we are going to remove that with the small Phillips head screwdriver. So I'm going to remove them now. So remove this one, number 1. Like we're just gonna separate this part from this part, and we already removed the screws, 1, 2 and 2 on the other side. So now these are separated. In the back you see two tiny bulbs attached to this part. These are actually the holders, 1 and 2. So you can use a small screwdriver, or first I'm just gonna try to turn it with my finger. Yes. Okay, now this is the one. I can't really tell if it's burnt or not, but yeah, so this is the one, and you can order that from your Mazda dealer, and to me it costed about $10. So yeah, and you will put the back everything in the same way, and the installation will be the reverse of it. And so both are in. So before we assemble everything back, let's see if the lights are working now. See, it turns on now. Hope you see it, but trust me, it's working now. So let's put it back. So turn off the engine first. These are the two screws. One goes here. The other goes on that side. Make sure they're tight and snug. Okay, now we're just gonna put that. So just put it like that, and we're just gonna push it. Make sure these holes are aligned. And just push it here. There you go. You heard that it just tucked in, and these two side trims, you just push them from here. Like so. And this one, yeah, like that. So there you go. Thank you for watching.